It's Fabrication and some. How y'all doing, man? Listen, this is the West Coast Belts new belt tool review. While this is going down, I'll explain to you what have you. But I want to start out by saying, man, you guys over there at West Coast Belts, man, that's a hell of a bunch of guys, man. They are some good dudes over there. I mean, their customer service is outstanding. Let me start out by saying that before I start the story, okay? So, it all starts out, I get this lead, and the belt on it is all twisted and mangled. I mean, I'm waiting for it to pop. So, funny story, it never broke yet. But anyway, so I ordered these belts off of eBay. One was from West Coast Belts, another one was from another company, I can't remember. But West Coast Belts, you know, they sent me this little tag. And I'll show it now if any of y'all want to copy, you know, take a screenshot or whatever, man. Hey, shout out to West Coast Belts, man. Great bunch of guys over there, man. Quality service, quality belts, man. I'm telling you. So, let's do this. Look, check this out. I'm doing a belt review, and all I'm doing is skimming the surface here, right? What am I doing? Alright, so we're here at 0. We're going to place this with 0 right now. Let's bring this back. Bring it back to 0. Alright, we're at 0. We're going to take 10. Yeah, let's take 10 to warm up with, alright? Grab that WD, let's go. I mean, I'm just saying, right? So far, I've been running this belt now for about 2 weeks now, and it hasn't given me a problem yet. It hasn't sheared, it hasn't done anything. I mean, this belt still looks brand new. Yeah, it's definitely doing great. So, anyway, I ordered these belts from West Coast Belts, and it was another company. Well, I tried the other company first. They broke. It broke. It broke. Snap. Back. I'm like, man, what the hell? So I had this other belt. It was from West Coast Belts. I hadn't taken it out of the package and I received it yet. So, I throw it up in there. I run it. Snap! Back! That was it. I'm like, yo, what in the hell, man? And I wasn't doing nothing but like a 5 thou cut. I mean, it wasn't nothing serious. I'm doing a 10 thou right now in the loom. I was doing a 5 thou in the loom. I mean, that's like a skin cut almost to this lady, right? I mean, that should be simple. Hands down simple. Well, it wasn't so simple right there. It, got to a dag little piston match with itself. So anyway, I took my belt out of my drill press, my bench top drill press, and I threw it up in there and ran it. And let me tell you something, it did extraordinary. And I mean, I still got it. I keep it as a spare. But I haven't had to go into that spare yet. And I think it's looking good. This belt is looking really good, man. We'll see, you know. Like I said, we're 2 weeks of running this. You're 2 weeks in the books of running this. Not going into 2 weeks. We're going into 3 weeks of running it. We got 2 weeks in the books of running it. I'm running this, and I never even sharpened this piece of high-speed steel back up. I'm running it after running it 2 times, taking some off. I'm running a 10th thou cut. That means I'm stressing it. You know, it's pushing. It's not ripping it off quite yet, but it's still pushing. You know, it's using torque to get there, especially when you get down toward the chuck. You know what I mean? So anyway, I decided to call West Coast Belt up. I just wanted to let them know, you know, that their belt, it keeps snapping, and I don't understand why. And you know, I don't want it to turn into a problem. So maybe if I say something, maybe they can make their belts a little thicker, a little stronger. I mean, anything like that, right? Anything's possible. So I give them a call. Friends answered the phone, and he, I hope I said his name right. Good gentleman, man. He, let me tell you something. He answered the phone, and I told him, I said, listen, man, I said, I'm not calling you to try to get free belts here. This is not my objective. It is not at all. I said, I'm calling you because it looks like there might be a problem with the belt, the strength of the belt, and if I can help you out, by telling you, I will. If it's a possibility that it's a good company and they want to go above and beyond for their customers and make sure that the belt that they get is strong and compatible for what they're doing, and that it won't snap on them under pressure. You know, I understand after wear and tear, it's snappy under pressure, but not when you first get it, right? So, I tell him, and he says, well, look, this is what we're going to do. I hear what you're saying, and I'm going to pass that along. But in the meantime, why don't you let me send you a couple more belts and try them out and see how they work out. Well, that can't hurt anything, right? And so, I mean, whether they take my advice or not, it's cool, right? I did my part, and they did their part. They sent me belts that are working. So, shout out to West Coast Belts, man. Like, I hope that they consider my advice and it maybe make it a little bit stronger or something like that, a little bit thicker. You know, it don't even come to the top of the pulley. My drill press belt, it was way taller than the pulley. I mean, it was way bigger than it should have been. But it held, man, and it did its job. Did you hear what I said? I said it did its job. And that is the objective of whatever it is. If you're using a lathe, it's supposed to do its job. The only way it can do its job is if everything in here does its job. The only way this operates properly is if I do my job. The objective is doing your job. And I must say, man, West Coast Belts did their job. And I really appreciate that, man. Shout out to West Coast Belts from Atkins Fabrication and then some. Thank you very much, guys, man. You really went above and beyond your Call of Duty. And I really appreciate you for that, man. God bless you, and God bless your company, man, and your families, too. Thank you very much, man. And I hope you guys have a great holiday season. We're going to take us another cut. Oh, a try. Huh. Let's try try 15,000. Hey, brother, look at that, look at that. Oh, yeah, she's a slow dodo, look at that. Big old strings of wire. What y'all gonna do there? What y'all gonna do down there, boy? What y'all gonna do down there, boy? Good lordy, hell lordy. That gonna get quite dangerous right there, boy. Man, when you're always at the lady, pay attention to what's coming on there because it can get quite dangerous, man. That stuff wraps up around, starts flinging around, that stuff can cut you. Believe it or not, it's very, sometimes it's got a real brittle edge on it, man. I've had it cut my hand before. Be careful, that stuff smacks you in the face. Oh yeah. I learned from Adam and all them guys, Tony and Tom Lipton, and shout out to Mr. Tom, man. Great dude, man. He's a hell of a guy, man. Mr. Tom Lipton. I actually got a optical lens for flatness. I gotta still make the light. I haven't made the light yet. That's gonna be coming soon. I want to make that light that Mr. Tom sent me the plan to and how to do it actually. I've actually communicated with Mr. Tom. Like I said, he is an amazing guy, man. You get a hold of him on his YouTube page and holler at him. He will talk back to you and he will communicate with you. I really appreciate that in someone, you know? Others are more like my inspiration, you know? I've tried talking to some, one or two other ones, but, I like to try to get to know someone. I don't know, I'm just like that. When I talk to someone, I like to try to get to know them. I like to know who they are. What do they like? What do they think? You know what I mean? Are we compatible? And I don't know, man. I've talked to one or two, maybe one, especially one that, made me feel like I was bothering them or something. And it's like, dang, well, I just won't bother you anymore. I mean, I sent them, machines that I see that I thought he could possibly be interested in. Oh yeah. Sent him the link and everything. Yeah. I mean, it's stuff that he's into, so I thought he might be interested. It's like I was bothered. So, there's a couple of them I watch out. I just don't, I talked to Adam once on YouTube. Messaged me back. I told Adam I'd like to come down there and work for him. My daughter lives in Florida. So, my other daughter, Jewel, she lives in Florida. And I'd love to have her back in my life, man. But So I told Adam I'd like to get a job and work for him if he ever got a big enough shop. He's got a huge shop now. Shout out to Adam Booth, man. Congratulations on everything, Adam. Congratulations, man. Everybody deserves it, brother. You do. Alright, so we're going to take one more pass. We took 15. Let's see what that'll do. Put it out there on this, right? Got a new addition to the shop, y'all. New addition to the shop, y'all. Yes, sir. I just ordered something for it to make some stuff happen with it. This is a little harder for some to get support than others, right? I guess you gotta build that trust level with people. I think that I ain't going nowhere. I'll be here. I love you people, man, for believing in me and tuning in and watching me, man, and understanding my struggle and caring about my struggle. Knowing that this is just a creativity thing for me, like it just helps me to grow. So yeah, I just want to say thank you, man. Thank you so much, man, for believing in me. Coming along on the journey with Atkins Fabrication. We're going to do this, man. This is going to be beautiful. You watch this thing. It's going to be beautiful. We're going to be able to do some nice stuff coming up here really, really soon. You got it. And y'all are going to be able to see it. Ain't that something? Y'all are going to be able to be part of it, man. That's what I was talking about. You see that? You gotta be careful of that. That's really, really dangerous, man. I'm just trying to get down to my influence real quick. I'm hoping that I can make it without getting hit by that. I think I did. What? Good. Yeah, my influence. Alright? Now, add this off in there. Slide it up. 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 Alright? Grab it with the pliers. Right? Just like that. Alright, man, so listen, that's what I want to say, man. Thank you for tuning in and watching this. Atkins Fabrication and some. Shout out to West Coast Belts, man. Belt is running terrific. I have no complaints with the belt at all. Let's give a look-see at the belt real quick. Let's do that. Let's take y'all around and see that belt. Here we go. There's our belt, baby. She's a running true. She's great, man. Like, she's doing great. I'm telling you, man. Shout out to West Coast Belts, man. This belt is doing great, man. Like, I am very grateful. Thank you. Thank you. You got one. There's one little frame mark right there. You see it? But that's it. Other than that, terrific. Keep an eye on it and see what it does over the next couple weeks. Anyway, man, we're gonna cut this video right there. Atkins Fabrication and then some. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. We got it. Like I said, we got us a new addition to the shop. You might have caught it. Might have caught it. Anyway, stay tuned, man. Atkins Fabrication and some. Hit that subscribe button, man. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever, man. Go into the caption and write your little heart away and let me know what you think, man. And you know, hopefully it's positive feedback. I love positive feedback. Hopefully it ain't no negative feedback. If it's positive feedback, hey, you got me, man. I'm in there. You know what I'm saying? Let's chat. Let's talk about it. You know what I'm saying? That's another one of my segments. I might do a podcast, man. We'll call it Let's Talk About It. We're going to do some tool reviews of some real tools. If you got some ideas of tools and you want to talk about it, we can talk about it. You know what I'm saying? Atkins Fabrication and then some. Y'all have a great week coming up. This is Sunday. You hear me? Sunday. Y'all have a great week coming up, man. Talk to you soon. I'm out.